right, guys, we had a great dinner. Have some folks here that are helping Korey celebrate his first ever Corvette, his new Eray, tomorrow at the National Corvette Museum. And a lot of these folks here are going to be participating in that event of the autocross. There is a nice trophy, so we're going to take a moment before we get a little crazy. I know there's a lot of trash talk. We're actually going to get a nice gentleman's picture first of the trophy. So let's get that picture. Of course, I've got to hold the trophy here.
I want to hold it. Give me my picture. Come on, man. I'm not kidding. I told you guys I'm going to win. You think I'm playing, man? Give me this thing, man.
Missed it. Why are we all enjoying that? Missed the first turn. Yeah, that'll make the channel.
Man, he looked good going, though. I'm like,
I'm sorry.
Don't look at the far ones. Oh, hey, that's not the fucking one.
This is a specific trophy for Mr. Rick Conti.
Was this called autocross?
What?
Was this called autocross?
What?
Was this called autocross?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Glad you're here from Florida. I know your only real goal today was to beat me.
So we're gonna get the car back on Sunday. I'm going to install exhaust, diffuser. I'm gonna lift the car.
For some reason, I had a tough time concentrating, but I'm back in the groove. I feel really good. I feel really good right now because after first session, give you a little update, I am in the lead so far. And to make this more of an event, yes, we're having an autocross competition. And what did I tell you? That I would be taking home the trophy. Oh, and look what's right there as we're heading home late tonight.
What?
One thing that I think that we need, and I would love for us to get, is a real cooled seat. More feedback from you today on Coffee with Conti. What do you want to see? What do you think we need for the C9 Corvette? Oh, I like this one. Don't make the car available until you can build it how we want it with no constraints. Thank you. Yes.